In today's video, what I'm going to be doing is showing you how you can sign up for Amazon's affiliate program. On top of that, I'm going to be answering a few questions such as what are the commission rates on Amazon? Are there any terms and conditions that you need to know about? And also how to create affiliate links on Amazon. So when you start with Amazon, you got a 180-day trial period. Within this trial period, you have to have at least 3 legitimate sales. And when I say legitimate sales, I mean that you can't be trying to buy stuff with your own affiliate link. You can't try to have family and friends buy stuff with your affiliate links. I've done that and it didn't work. They was able to detect that somehow they just made an assumption, who knows. But they was able to sit here and say, those are legitimate sales, so we're not helping you out with that. And then the next thing is that you don't want to use any texting. So don't text anybody your affiliate link because that's not going to work. Don't email anybody your affiliate link because that's not going to work neither. Just go ahead and say anywhere at the bottom of your page, hey, I get paid off any of these affiliate links if you decide to make a purchase. It can be just simple as that. So don't make it any more complicated. So the next thing is prices. For whatever reason, Amazon don't want you to say any exact prices while you're doing your affiliate thing. So if something is, for example, about $12, then don't say that it's about $12. Go ahead and say that it's under $15. And that works. Why that works and why you can't just say it's 12 something, I don't know. But like I said, this is what Amazon wants, so let's just go ahead and just roll with it. So the last thing I want to talk about is that they do not want you to use any link shorteners. And this one is probably the easiest one that you can abide by because, you know, they got link shorteners on Amazon anyway, so you don't have to use any external link shortener. Now that I got some of the terms and conditions out of the way, let me go ahead and talk about the commission rates. Now, I don't have to exactly say too much about the commission rates because I'm going to have a link down in the comment section. It's going to be pinned that you can go ahead and take a look at that will send you to this page that'll pop up right here. And it's showing you the commission rates right now in case you want to see them for yourself. You can see that all of Amazon's products, they are somewhere between 2% to as high as 10%. Now you might be thinking to yourself that this is kind of low for the commission rate, and you'll be right because it is. It's very low for a commission rate. Should you still use Amazon? The answer to that is yes, because you know millions of people use Amazon. So if you have a lot of people coming to your website, YouTube channel, or whatever it is, then you'll get a lot of sales. So it'll be worth it. Next thing I want to do is talk about how to actually sign up. So where you need to go to sign up for Amazon's affiliate program is go to Amazon Associates. So you can Google that or just go, once again, I'll have a link to Amazon Associates in the comment section below. So you can just click on that and you can go ahead and sign up for it. If you already have an Amazon account, then you can go ahead and sign in with that. Otherwise, you'll have to create a new account. I'm not going to go over this step by step, but essentially what you'll be doing is putting in, first off, your basic information. Then after that, you will put in a list of websites that you would be using Amazon with. If you do not have a website, then you can go ahead and put your social media network here. With Facebook, you cannot use any closed groups or a personal page. You have to use a fan page or open groups. After that, you can put in a preferred ID, and then they'll ask you simple questions such as how are you driving traffic to your website? How often do you get traffic to that website? How many subscribers or followers do you currently have? And other things along those lines. And then after that, you just have to verify your phone number and then you're good. Last thing that you got to do on Amazon Associates is put in your bank information so you can get paid, and also put in your tax information as well. So the next thing we need to do is find some products that we want to create some links for, and then go ahead and create our links. I am on Amazon website, and if you look at the top, you can see that I am signed in with my Amazon Associates account because I can see this little bar up here, the Amazon Associates site strip. You should see this up here if you are signed in with the same associates account that you got. You can go to settings and you can see you can turn the site stripe bar off if you don't want to see it. So I'm gonna keep that on, but we're gonna use this in order to get links and stuff. So first thing I wanna do is go ahead and start looking for something. You can see I've been shopping for a few things. I can buy some stuff again, so on and so forth. Any of this stuff I can go ahead and use and make a associates link with it. But right now what I'm gonna do is actually go ahead and put in this newer light ring 20-inch with stand, because that is what I use when I make my videos. Now you're going to see a price up here. If you remember earlier in this video, you can't show exact prices. I'm going to go ahead and make a disclaimer, or I should just go ahead and really just blur this price out, honestly. But I don't feel like doing that. I'm gonna go ahead and just say it's under $200. So with that being said, I'm also gonna say, if you decide to buy this, that I'm gonna make some commission off it. So that's also my disclosure. Going back to this actual video, and the purpose of it is to get the link. So if I want to find a text, all I gotta do is click on that text right there. You can see that the store ID right here, YouTube tutorials, the tracking ID is YouTube tutorials. I got the text link created and it's below. That's the short link. This one is the long link. I can use this long one to embed in websites. I can use the short one in websites too, but I'm going to use the short one so I can go ahead and put it in my description for YouTube. But if you look at the image, we got a small one, medium, and large. These will be embedded in websites. Same thing with the text plus the image. I can go ahead and use that in a website as well. Let's go ahead and go to video details. On this particular video I got right here, you can see equipment used to make this video. I got soft boxes, the newer 20-inch light ring right here. And I'm going to go ahead and take this and I'm going to paste the new one in. All I gotta do is save it, and that's it. Not only do I have that here, but I can also add it to new videos by going to default uploads and just scrolling down and just adding it right here. So if I go up into my equipment and I go ahead and delete this old one and then paste the new one in. So I don't have to keep redoing the exact same thing. It will automatically be added to my newer videos when they get uploaded. So you might be thinking, what about getting an associates link from your phone? Well, that's very simple. All you gotta do is go to the Amazon app. And if you go to a product, you'll see that there is a share option. You can see the same thing that you see up here as far as seeing your associates ID, your associates tracking number, and all you got to do is click share associates link. If you don't want to share the associates link, then you can share a non-associates link. Why would you ever want to use the non-associates link? I don't know, but there it is. So that's everything you need to learn as far as signing up with Amazon and starting to create links so you can start making money with Amazon. So let me know in the comment section if there's any other questions you might have on Amazon. But I got a question for you as far as Amazon. What is going to be the first product that you are going to try to sell on your channel, website, blog, whatever it is that you're going to be using Amazon for? Let me know in the comment section below. And as always, if you find this information useful, then go ahead, like, subscribe, share with a friend, click the bell notification so you can get notified when new videos come out from me. I make new videos every week. Thanks for watching.